Hey guys, so the next function that we'll see on case conversion is swap case. Now, what swap case does is, uh, as we have seen in my earlier videos, is that you have to put lowercase to convert an uppercase to lowercase, and if you have uppercase you want to convert to lower, it will you have to use the upper function, lower function. Yeah. Now, this particular function, swap case, is used to swap both the cases. So if you have lowercase letter, it will convert it to uppercase. If you have uppercase letter, it will convert it to lowercase. Yeah. It will not have any effect on the numbers and special characters as we have earlier spoken. Yeah. So method does not raise any error when encountered with digital symbol. It will just return the original text as it is. So let me use some example. I'll first put the syntax here. So the syntax for swap cases, that's it. Yeah. So it will convert uppercase to lowercase, lowercase to uppercase. Yeah, and vice versa. Let's see some example. We'll use a previous example itself, but with a swap case. Yeah. So when this method is called, suppose I have a lower case string. So let me see a lowercase string converted to upper. Okay, with swap case. So we'll use the swap case function. It will automatically recognize the letters are small and it will convert it to uppercase. Lowercase will be converted to upper. See this? So it has automatically recognized that it is lowercase string and it has converted to uppercase. Yeah. So let's see with an uppercase string. This is an uppercase string we used while converting it to lower. So we'll use swap case. So I do not have to use multiple functions to do the same action. So whenever I want to just swap the case, I'll just add swap case and it will automatically recognize what kind of characters are available in the string and it will convert it accordingly. Yes. Now suppose I have a mixed string. So suppose I have, just have a look at it, what I'm showing right now. I love ice can hang. Yeah. Mixed bets converted according. Okay. Okay. So you'll find what I've written is I love ice can endless. Now I is in capital, love is in small letters. Here in last word, certain characters are in small letters, certain characters are in uppercase. Yeah. So let's see what happens to this string. You will find the uppercase characters are automatically converted to lowercase and lowercase characters are converted to uppercase. Here in this word itself, in a single word where E was in capital letter, it is converted to small letter, whereas yes, YES, which were in small letters or small case, were converted to uppercase. So you see, it has automatically checked which alphabets are in which case and automatically converted them to the opposite of each case. Let's see what it does with numbers. So if I have to swap numbers, again, I am telling you string conversions do not have any effect on numbers and special characters. Whichever string conversion function you use, it will never have any effect. So again, I am putting swap case. Yes. Yeah, it does not have any effect on the numbers, and hope you understood how you can use swapcase. And please like, share, comment on my videos and subscribe to my channel to get more information on Python. Thank you so much.